Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to delete your Notion AI account permanently. So first of all, you need to log in your account, then tap here right up corner, it's a three dot, then tap here the settings button, scroll down, then you can see the option delete my account. So simply tap here, then you can see here delete account, and before that you have to make sure that you have to place your Gmail account, then tap the delete account and work. So okay, neato.com, delete account, and it's deleting your account. Just wait a second to get the interface. So it's loading now. You can see here actually connection get started. So I have some connection problems, so that's why, but this way you can delete your account.